La sueño que un día que le llama selección. Así que un día si ellos llaman los dos de selección, yo me voy a poner contento. Todos, yo creo que todos familia vamos a poner contentos. A mí ese día que Luis Enrique se llama dos chicos, me voy orgulloso de Luis Enrique y español también, que le damos gracias a ellos, que ellos ven que este niño puede triunfar. Para España también coger la copa, alegría muy fuerte.
So guys, there we go. Those who do not really understand Spanish, I'm going to translate to you about what Iñaki brother's mom just said. She was asked here in Spanish media about Iñaki brother's future, and she said, as a mother, my dream is to see Iñaki brothers to play for Spanish national team. That would be, that is my dream. And you want Luis Enrique to call Iñaki brothers to play for Spanish national team, and that is her dream. And she said as well that every family want a good thing. So why not? If Luis Enrique invite Iñaki brothers to Spanish national team, why not? As a mother, she will be very very happy, and she will give thanks to Spanish as well, and because Spanish people help them a lot. So that is her dream every day, to see Iñaki brothers to play for Spanish national team. But guys, you remember I told you guys that some month ago that we're gonna see Iñaki brothers on Ghana national team, and I'm gonna share a few things that if Ghana really want Iñaki brothers to play for Black Stars, what they have to do. They have to make a move and talk to Iñaki brothers, their mom. Iñaki brothers are willing to play, honestly, and we're going to see them. Trust me, guys. We are not here to give fake information. No, that is not what we does here in this platform. We're going to see Iñaki brothers on Ghana Black Stars. We really need them, because if you look at our front line, we have a big problem there. So we really need Iñaki brothers. So if the coach really want them, the GFA they really want them, they have to make a move and talk to their mother, because when it comes to moms here, women play a key role in everything. When it comes to family side, women play a key role. So they have to make a move and talk to Iñaki brothers, their mom. She's a very nice woman. Yeah. So that is the latest coming from Iñaki brothers, their mom. And why I'm telling you guys that we're going to see Iñaki brothers in Ghana, I told you guys for some month ago. When you, like in Spain here, Spanish people have a lot of talent players, like a very, very good player. I'm not saying that Iñaki brothers are not a good player. They are very good players, but Spanish have a lot of young stars. So it will be very difficult for Iñaki brothers to get a chance in Spanish national team for the World Cup. I'm not saying that because of that, that they want to play for Ghana. No, that is not the way. But I'm just saying, basing on how, because there's a lot of young talent here in Spain. So GFA and the coach have to make a move. That is what I can say for now. Okay, but we're going to see Iñaki brothers. We're going to see Iñaki brothers in Ghana Black Stars. And my number two today, my second today is Uruguay. Since the draw came out yesterday, as I speak Spanish, I said let me cross check on Uruguay media and see what they are talking about the draw. And it was very interesting. They was basing like the way Nigeria underrate Ghana from the African, based on the African Cup of Nations performance. And a lot of people was also saying that what happened between Uruguay and Ghana back 2010, it will make Ghana will come all out to really want to win the game. And a lot of them and their media were saying, don't know much about our player. The player that they only know is Tomate Partey, based on because Tomate Partey was at Atletico Madrid and obviously playing in Arsenal. And the reason why they even know Thomas Partey much because they are Spanish speaking, and here they follow Spanish league a lot. When you go to South America, they follow Spanish league a lot. So based on that, they know Thomas Partey and Idrisu Baba. So this is the thing I believe that if Ghana we really want to go through for the World Cup, for my side, what I would try to do, I would try to, from now and then, I would try to monitor their media and what they are talking about, what solution that they are trying to do so that they can overcome Ghana. I would try to monitor their media, and any information I would try to bring it out so that it can help Ghana as well. Then we can able to prepare. So to me, advice is that Ghana, we shouldn't go, if when you get to the World Cup, we shouldn't get anger that what happened in the World Cup. We are going there, we want to win against them, we want to win against them. When we put this so much into our head, it could be a different game together. We should go, when you get to the World Cup, we should go a normal way, prepare very well. And the good thing is that, when you are going to a tournament that you are not a favorite, sometimes it help you, because when you are not a favorite, you get a chance to surprise the world. But if you are going to the tournament when you are the favorite, a lot of eyes and a lot of the whole world want to see what you can do. So it will put pressure on the team. So where Ghana sit now, I think we have a great chance. And me, I believe fully 100%. I have a feeling that in the World Cup, not just Ghana gonna qualify from the group, but I believe that Ghana, if you get a like of Iñaki Williams, Carlson Hodoi, Tariq Lamptey, Ghana, we can top the group. So we just need to take it normal. So guys, what do you think? What do you think about Iñaki brother's mom coming out to say her dream is to see Iñaki brothers to play for Spanish national team? Do you think that this is going to stop Iñaki brothers not to play for